Hi, I'm Kelly Moore, and I want to tell you about something I've been working on called shift change. If you're a leader in the industrial sector, construction, manufacturing, or even in healthcare or hospitality, you already know the reality that I'm talking about. Your industry never stops. The operation has to keep running, and at the same time, everything around you is changing. Your workforce, technology, your margins, the expectations from every direction. And yet most of the conversations happening about these challenges are happening on the floor at a conference or in a trend report that doesn't really match what's going on inside your organization. That's why I started Shift Change. This is a podcast built around one simple idea. The most valuable insights don't come from frameworks or keynotes. They come from the leaders who are actually in it, making decisions with incomplete information, managing the business to keep the lights on, while also having to keep up with technology and transformation and figuring things out in real time. Every episode that we're going to do is a 30-minute conversation with a senior leader who is navigating the same pressures that you are. We're going to talk about what challenges are really at the forefront of the business, like the system migration that took twice as long as planned, the staffing model that fell apart, or the technology decision that looked right on paper but didn't survive contact with the floor. We talk about what worked, what didn't, and what you would do differently. If you're an executive in healthcare, hospitality, or the industrial sector, the show was built for you, not to sell you something, not to tell you what you should be doing, but to give you a space where you can hear from peers who understand your world and speak your language and know what exactly is at stake. And if you're a leader who has been through it, if you've navigated a hard transformation, made a tough call that taught you something, or learned a lesson the hard way, I would love to have you on the show. It's a 30-minute conversation. No scripts, no heavy prep, just you and me talking honestly about the challenges that really matter. The kind of conversation that you would have with a peer over coffee, except this one helps other leaders in your industry who are working through the same things. You can find Shift Change wherever you listen to your podcasts. And if you're interested in being a guest, reach out. I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for listening. I'll see you on the show.